How to buy Primex finance token. So this token came under the symbol of PMX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. So check their Discord and their Medium. As you can see, they included too on the Rex account. As you can see, this token it's available on MEXC, as you can see. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC, go and open your account on MEXC, as you can see. Sorry guys, I will just go and open my account. So after that, what you need to do, go back to this page on the Rex account and copy the symbol of the token that's called PMX. So after you copy it, type it here on search here. So you'll be able to find a pair here. As you can see, click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, just as you can see here. So after that, to be able to buy this token, click on limit or market. It's the same. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay in order to buy this token. So if you click on market here, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account in order to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy a PMX and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy PMX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.